Hey everybody, I would like to tell you about an easy app to use that you can record your video on. I think it would work well for this assignment that we got. I'm just going to open up my template of my slides. Okay, now your slides would have some words on it and some pictures on it and be ready to explain. Once that is ready, you're going to send a copy of it to the Explain Everything app. I'm going to find it in here. There it is. It may ask you to log in using your Google account. Go ahead and do that. But the first page that'll show up here is it asks you if you want them on separate slides, and that's exactly what you want. So you want to just insert it like it is on separate slides. This becomes my project. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to save this right away. So I'm going to do a quick save just in case something happens or my computer shuts down or whatever. Okay, so you got to remember that you do have to save it. It doesn't automatically save. So here down at the bottom, I can see that I have 4 slides. I can change slides. I can add a slide if I'd like to. So what's cool about this is that you can record something on each slide, and then it will put the video all together as one continuous video. So you can just do little parts of it without having to go through your whole presentation. You can just do it bit by bit and it'll put it together for you. Okay, now if I want to write on here, I can put, I can use writing, I can use a text box. There's lots of different options. If I want to use the pointer, if I want to point something out while I'm talking, that's a real helpful tool as well. So you can kind of play around with what's over there on the side. But I'm just going to go ahead and record my voice on this first slide. I'm going to hit the button at the bottom. And I notice right now that it says mix. Okay, this is not what I want. I'm going to go ahead and stop that video. And I want it to overwrite. If I make a mistake and I want to record my voice again, I don't want it to mix them together. I want to overwrite what I just said. So I'm just going to make sure that that's on. And now I'm just going to rewind this. So I obviously made a mistake. And then I'm just going to re-record my voice. My name is Mr. Grabo, and this is my water cycle human impact video. I'm going to hit the stop button. I like that. I'm going to go on to the next slide. Here, I'll probably have some writing and a picture. And you can also do this once it's in Explain Everything. I can add my pictures if I want to. I can add an existing picture if I want to. I can do all that within here, but it's probably easiest if you just have it done first and then just use this app for your recording. Okay, so here's my second slide. And I can talk about runoff, I can talk about infiltration, and as I'm talking, oh geez, I made a mistake. I'm going to pause it. I'm just going to rewind, and I'm going to record that again. Okay, and then you just hit the button again, re-record your voice. You want to go through all of your slides. Okay, make sure that before you're done, you want to do a quick save. And then once you got everything on those 4 slides that you want to say, you can then export it. I'm going to hit export, and I'm going to export it as a video. Okay, then all I would have to do is hit Schoology, and I'm just going to send it right to the assignment. Okay, and I can see that in the title it says MP4. That means it's a video. So it's ready to go. I just submit it to the assignment and I'm all set. Okay? Good luck.